Hey guys, it's your boy T4 Jesus with another one. Today we're going to be going over back flat choke techniques. This is something that I utilize. It definitely increases my odds, and we all know this choke is something else. It's very strong, right? So what I do is I throw a punch first, just to try to get him to arm trap, and then I try to sneak a transition in between. Most people go for the choke right away, get blocked because it's expected, right? It's expected. So what I do differently is, let me just flip over, start again. Yeah. So what I do differently is I punch, I go for it, I'll posture up, and I throw the punch, and then I go straight for the choke. Now the thing is, there's something unique about this, right? Look at it, look at what I'm doing. I punch, I posture down, you see that I go for the choke. That's not what I'm doing. What I do is I posture up, I punch, I hold LT, RB, and I keep holding down, and it becomes one transition. See that? One move. Again, one move. See, directly. So that posture down really masks it and turns it into a momentum transition as well. So guys, definitely utilize this in your gameplay. It's a pleasure. Subscribe, like the channel, like the video. Thank you.